you doing?
Knocking on wood and vocalizing. It's how Bigfoot communicates over long distances and how the real Bigfoot hunters lure him out.
Yeah, well, the real police don't do it so that our human fugitive won't know that we're coming.
Now, trust me, Kurt Wilson has been hiding out here for a year. We are not going to find him.
Okay, we're close. GPS is showing that this is the general area of the attack. It happened by this downed tree, so all we got to do is find the tree, and we found our crime scene. Castle, please, no more Wookiee calls.
It's not Wookiee. I'm not doing Wookiee. I can't do Wookiee. Alexis does a really cute Wookiee.
Well, whatever you're doing, could you stop?
You scared it might work?
No, I'm scared that I might murder you, and then I'll have 2 crime scenes on me.
You know, a lot of highly respected individuals believe in Bigfoot. Teddy Roosevelt wrote about him in his journals. Jane Goodall has gone on record saying that she's open to the possibility. And right now, as we speak, professors at Oxford are studying Bigfoot DNA samples. Now, it is possible. You just have to be open to it. Because any moment, life can surprise you. You okay?
Oh. Yeah.
Oh.
Where are we?
Some kind of trap. Someone or something had to build it.
Something, Castle? You think that Bigfoot came out here with a shovel?
There is no such thing as Bigfoot.